A big problem for parents in Butler County is about to get even worse as a daycare operation closes down.
Butler County already has a shortage of child care locations. Kake's Jackson Overstreet is here now to tell us why the facility is shutting its doors, and he's looking at the worsening problem for parents throughout this region. Jackson?
Been providing daycare for kids as young as infants to fifth graders for 60 years. September 30th, it will be closing its doors for good due to a problem we've been seeing more and more across the state, a lack of staffing. A classroom with no kids, with walls more barren than usual and chairs tucked away unused. This is becoming more of a common sight at the Child Care Center at First Baptist Church in El Dorado.
Recently, we've been unable to house as many kids as we would like to be able to. Currently, we're licensed for, I believe, about 120, and we've had 68 students.
The smaller capacity is not for a lack of students. There are over 100 on the wait list. Senior Pastor Jordan Friesen says it comes down to staffing. And the problem has gotten so bad that the church announced last week it's shutting down its entire child care center after being open for 60 years.
The hardest decision I've ever seen us have to make. It was not a decision we came to lightly.
The issue at First Baptist highlights a problem Child Star Executive Director Teresa Rupp is seeing across Kansas.
It's very hard everywhere, but in a rural community, to lose a large center, it's a killer.
And the numbers back that up. Data from Child Care Aware of Kansas shows as of Monday, only 36% of potential demand is met in Butler County.
They were telling me stories about people who live in El Dorado and work in El Dorado who were driving their kids out of town to child care and then driving back to El Dorado to work.
Rupp says right now the situation is at a crisis level in some areas, and it's something communities across Kansas need to address.
If it can happen in El Dorado, can it not happen in Winfield? Can it not happen in Newton?
Now, Friesen says he is trying to give families enough time to potentially find another option by holding off on closing until September 30th. In studio, Jackson Overstreet, Kake News on your side.